Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. So, there are some frequent questions that I always get on my WhatsApp line and that I always get on my Instagram. So, I just wanted to break them down so that you guys can get to understand how this robot works properly. So, as you all know, my name is Clinton Malope here. So, I am a Forex trader. I'm also a Forex coach. So today, let me please take you through all the steps, or rather the prerequisites of the robot. As you can see, the performance of the robot on the screen, because I don't want you guys to ask the same questions over and over again. Meanwhile, I can answer them in one video. So as you can see, the performance of the robot there, from small accounts. So all these pictures you see on the screen, they are from the smallest account that I've traded to the biggest accounts that I've traded. So you will see the performance is there. But anyways, just keep note that these are the trades when they were starting out and when they were closed. You understand what I'm saying? So basically what the robot is, it's a software that trades on your behalf. So if you're a person who wants to be into forex trading, but you don't have the luxuries of knowledge on how to trade by yourself, you would understand that a forex robot, it will analyze for you, it will do the work for you. You find that the only thing you need to do is only 1% of the 100% work in forex trading. So you find that you are only doing one thing. The forex robot takes care of the rest, and you are good to go. If you are a person who is always busy, you can also use the robot. If you are a person who is learning forex, you can also use the robot. By the way, if you want the robot, all you need to do is contact the number on the screen. Contact the number on the screen so that you can get access to the robot. And the price of the robot is 1,000 rand if you're from South Africa. Then if you're from other countries, that's $75. 75 US dollars. Actually, the price went up due to the market fluctuations. It was $70 US, now it's $75 US. The reason behind that is because of the prices fluctuations, as currencies changes all the time. But anyways, that's that, $75 US or 1,000 rand. So as you can see the performance of the robot on the screen, I wanted to document all these trades because now you guys have to see what the robot can do. If you can check my other videos, you can actually see what the robot looks like. In this video, I will not be showing the robot. The robot is on my other videos. As you can go and check all of them. I've got plenty of videos in this channel, and you get to see live what the robot does for me in front of your screen. So okay, anyways, let's continue. The robot is a plug and play, of course. It means that you just install it in your laptop, MT4, or at a computer or at a desktop. It doesn't work on a phone. It does not work on a cell phone. It does not work on a mobile phone. Nada. It doesn't work on a mobile phone. It only works on a desktop, a laptop, or rather a computer. So it's a plug and play. You install it in your MT4. The installation part, I've got a video for that. It is a tutorial to take you all the steps, take you through all the steps. There is no need for you to panic. You've got the video. I think it's a 4 minutes video. You'll be done and dusted in 4 minutes time. So anyways, let's continue. It will give you profits every week. It's a calculated profit. So from all the people that have been using my robot, they know that every week there are profits. Every week we make profits. You can have 1 or 2 losing trades, but that does not affect the rest of the 8 winning trades that you will get. So basically what it means is that if in a week you get 5 trades, you might lose 1 or even win all of them. That's what we've come to realize with the robot. So anyways, to continue, you get to ask me any question. There is no limit on any questions that you can ask me. You can ask me anything anytime. I'm always here, meaning you get 24/7 support. 24/7 support. So that's right. You don't need to panic in any way. You've got support from me, the CEO of the Wealth Champions. The Wealth Champions. So anyways, to continue on that, you guys, you need to make sure that for example, I want to give an example of a car. Let's say you buy that BMW 7 Series, the one that drives itself, or that Mercedes-Benz that drives itself. Maybe you buy a Rolls-Royce. We all know that the Rolls-Royce drives itself. 7 Series drives itself. And also other Mercedes-Benz. Now, when you buy that car, what happens now? What happens now is that you are buying a car that can drive itself. But my question is, can you sleep while the car is driving itself? Can you? I know I can't trust the machine in that way. So I need to be sure that I'm awake. So if anything goes wrong, I'm in control. Let's say maybe the robot loses control somehow because of news. Who will be there to close the trades? Who will be there to close the trades? Remember, these are robots. They are robots. They don't know whether news are coming or not. But you as a person, you know. So you need to be in control of everything and anything that happens with the robot. So I always say that when the car drives itself, if you are asleep, what will happen is that if ever some mechanical defaults happen, the car will lose control and you won't be there to take control. So with the robot, you need to be there to take control. Let's say maybe you are in a profit and you can see that you are comfortable. As you can see on the screen there are profits running there, right? So if there are profits running there, what will happen is that I can decide to let the robot take profit, or I can just close myself. I can just close the trades myself. So you need to be there in front of the screen to be able to close if you are comfortable with the profits that you see on the screen. Like as you can see on the screen, if I'm comfortable with that 1.7, I can close. So yeah guys, if you are on top of your robot, I mean, there is no way you can't win. There is no way. You will always beat the market makers. Guys, I know that you're probably wondering, is this for real? Guys, come on. You've been in this channel and maybe you just came across this video, you came across this channel recently. Do you have any reason to doubt me? If you do, just do a research on me. My name is Clinton Malope. So do a research on me. You know, I know a lot of people who are happy with my services. A lot of people who are happy with my services. So you doubting me, actually you are doubting yourself, because success is in front of you and you are doubting it. So you see, you just need to take that leap of faith. You know, everything is a risk in life. Everything is a risk in life. You don't have any reason to trust me. Trust your gut. Trust your journey. Anything that happens is because of your decision. So even if you end up not texting me, not getting the robot, it's because of your decision. So make sure you text me. Do not be in denial. Get this robot and make some money, guys. I know that you can actually change your life with this robot, because I did myself. You know, I did myself. I saw some level of consistency this year of 2020. This has been a greatest year of my life, and it can be yours too. It's never too late. I know there is only 2 months left, but it's never too late. You can still change your life for a better. You can change your life for a better. I know we're now heading into 2021, and you are wondering, how will my 2021 look like? It can look like this on the screen. It can look like money. It can look like that. It can look like 5,000 rand a month. I mean, a week, a month, a day, an hour, 10,000 rand a week, a month, a day, an hour. It doesn't matter. You can look like money. Your life can look like money only if you take that leap of faith and contact that number that you see on the screen. Guys, come on. You've got no reason to be poor at this point. There are a lot of opportunities that have opened up for you this year. 2020 has been the greatest year of our lives, and if you miss that point, it means you've lost forever. Now guys, I wanted to check something. These are not just trades. These are trades with withdrawals. Look at that. 7,000 paid into my check account. 7,200 paid into my check account. Look at that. 3,400 paid into my check account. Look at that. 5,600 paid into my check account. This is just one day. 8,700 paid into my check account. These are only few of the incomes that I've just received in the past weeks because of the robot. 5,200 paid into my check account. Guys, come on, guys. What are you waiting for? Take a leap of faith and contact me on the number you can see on the screen. There is the price of the robot. It went up from $70 to $75. So if you contact me, just know that it's 75. If you're from South Africa, 1,000 rand.